there, welcome back to the Jobim Clothing YouTube channel. My name is Chanda Kafor. I'm the owner and founder of Jobim Clothing, where we give you African flair for your everyday wear. If you've been following along, then you should know we're at the end of our celebrity inspired head wrap tutorials. This one is number 4. So if you missed any of the previous ones, first thing I need you to do is like and subscribe to this Jobim Clothing page. I want you to be a part of the Jobim fam. This is the style that we're going for today. Before we get started though, I want to start with 2 disclaimers. Number 1, in my personal opinion, there ain't no wrong way to wear a head wrap, honey. Head wraps are all about you, your personality, your style, okay? And your head wrap should show that. So don't get too caught up in your head wrap looking a certain way, okay? It's all about you, okay? The second thing is that these tutorials aren't going to be exactly the same. Head wraps, they kind of have, a life of their own. They do what they want to do sometimes, okay? So they're not exactly going to look exactly the same. They're also going to be different because of the different head wraps, the different patterns, the different materials, all of that. So if you would like to see how I achieved this style my way, let's go. As always, you know how we start off grabbing our Jobim clothing head wrap with the satin lining. You know that's important. Find the center. We always fold it down just a little bit because this style needs to cover our entire head, but we don't want to have too much excess left over. Now, place the head wrap on the center of your forehead. Bring the ends to the back. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see my hands here. All I'm trying to do is push all the excess fabric that's at the top down and cross the 2 legs across each other. Right over left, left over right, however it works. Just make sure that the extra fabric from the top is up under the cross. You see there? It's flat, nothing extra is hanging out there. Now you're going to figure out which side is the shorter side. Take the longer side, and I like to hold it up under my arm because it just makes it easier. We want to make sure that we're keeping this whole process taut. Okay, now from the leg that we chose, any excess that we see there, we just want to either fold it or tuck it to make it flat. Now, as I come around front, I see that extra piece that's there. All I'm doing is folding it under, trying just to tuck it away. Now, bringing that shorter side all the way to the opposite side, and I'm going to hold it with my hand while I bring the other side across. And doing the same thing. If there's any extra, I'm going to make sure and fold it and tuck it to where it's not hanging out. And then I'm going to put this one slightly higher than the first one that I did. Now, after I reach the end, I am going to find a spot somewhere in all the folds, all the wraps to tuck it in. Okay, take the end, tuck it in there, make sure that it feels good, it feels secure, and then push it off your head just a little bit. I have a wig on, so I'm not pushing it too far. But this is the final product. Check us out. Quick, easy, we did that. Ayy. All right, Jobim fam, if you made it to the end of this video, first off, thank you very much. You know I appreciate you. If ain't nobody else gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you. You are appreciated. Second thing, if you missed that announcement that I made earlier where I said you should subscribe to the page, please go ahead and do that now. If you don't know as well, wow, it's a lot of if you don't knows, but you never know where this video is going to land. So I got to make sure all the bases is covered. But also, the most important thing is that I post videos each and every Thursday as a part of Tutorial Thursday. It's where I try to teach you either how to use our products, how to style our products, the benefit of our products, all of that. So you can consider this an information base for Jobim Clothing. Just go ahead and wrap it on up because I'm not trying to keep you here all day, okay? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye.